Well, that's really funny that you've asked that, Simon, because I actually teach that from stage when I'm training my leaders. I always say, I love my business, but if something happened, God forbid, and I had to start all over tomorrow morning, I know exactly what I would do. And I said I would pick up the phone and I would I would get in front of people. I would just say, hey, can you do me a favor? Let's get together. I have an exciting business I want to show you. I would just fill my calendar because there's nothing that a full calendar can't fix. And I know that I would end up right back where I am because I know how to keep this business simple, have fun, and I know that the business is appointment based. Think about your dentist. Would your dentist be in business if he didn't have appointments on his calendar every day? So there's just nothing that a full calendar can't fix.